Hi everyone. Today we are going to have a look of one of the core modules of Drupal. So it's going to be activity tracker. So what basically the activity tracker provides us, it shows us the list of recently added or modified content by the respective users, and it also provides an user level tracking. So I will show you like what are the configuration options available. So you could see like I have already enabled the module. So you can just navigate to the user profile page. There you could see an additional tab called activity. So I'm just going back to the new user called user1. So if you click on edit, you could see one more new tab has been enabled over that, and it shows like actions. It shows a new called activity. So you see a new tab called activity over there, and it shows what are the list of content types or content actions which you have been modified or created. So I'm just going to create a content, and so right now I logged as an admin user. So you could see if I'm going to make any additional changes to that, this activity tracker will get updated accordingly. I'm going to create a book page. So I have saved this item. So once you go back to the user page, so I have created a new content as login as an admin. So I'm just going to click on edit, and if I'm going to go back to the activity tab, you could see a new item will be created over there. You see this item has been created over there 20 seconds ago, and still you can just click on this and it will show you what are the actions which have been updated, and it should be very useful for tracking the items. So these are some of the cool features which Drupal provides by default. And you could see a lead mark over here. What does it means? If you after editing or modifying the content, so if you have not viewed this activity tab, or if you have not viewed the activity content, could say it shows an additional option showing like the content was updated by other users. So you can just walk you through this module, and it will be quite useful if you want to show the list of user tracking related to content and some of the other entity related items.